everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you haven't done so as well. For today's video, I'm sharing with you guys some Target Black Friday deals that I absolutely love. Now, I narrowed it down to like top 20, but there are so many deals across the website that have already started. So definitely check out the links down below and do some browsing on the site because you don't know what you will find at a really great deal. Everything is up to 50% off, and a lot of the categories have amazing, awesome deals on some of the new arrivals as well. So I'm just gonna hop right into it and share with you guys some of the deals that I will definitely be checking out or I think you guys will love. So we can start off with this Dyson vacuum. Now, I personally love Dyson, and I think the best time to buy a Dyson is Black Friday because you get like a crazy deal. I believe this one is marked down to $279, but the retail is $429. So you are getting a really great deal. This is the V8, and I have the one under it, which I believe is the V7, and I love mine. I usually always tend to just like upgrade and get a newer one every few years just because I love them so much, and they always add some really awesome new features. But if you're new to the brand and you're just starting out and you want to try something out, this one is the one that I would definitely recommend. And again, it's at a really good price point. They're cordless, they're really great. They have really great suction power. So if you're in the market for a really great vacuum, definitely check out that Black Friday deal. You guys, is this TV, just because it is such a great deal. It's a 32-inch Vizio and it's only $129. So when I first moved out of the house, I got a Vizio. It is still currently working till this day. That was like 10 years, maybe even, no, probably around 10 years ago that I got it. It is working absolutely fine. Like, there is nothing wrong with it at all. And at the time that I got it, it was an open box item. So just keep that in mind. Like, just goes to show, like, the quality is insane. The picture quality is always super good. And that's just like a really great size for like a bedroom. Now, if you wanted something a little bit bigger for like a living room or like I don't know, like a media room, like if you have it, they do have some really good deals on bigger TVs. I just wanted to show you guys just like the smaller option that would be good for like a bedroom, or if you're just looking for a new TV and you just moved out and you don't want to spend a lot of money, definitely check out that Vizio. Next up, and definitely something that I'm going to treat myself to this Black Friday, I've been doing a lot of cooking at home and I really want a KitchenAid mixer. So these are actually 44% off on the Target site. They have a few different colors that are 44% off. I absolutely love the black one. I think I'm either gonna go with the black one or the white one, something that's more a timeless color and that I can keep with me for several years to come. But I highly recommend getting a KitchenAid mixer because I feel like they're a game changer. And even having like really nice appliances like this that will encourage you to cook at home are always a great item to keep around. All right, the Nespressos are 30% off. I love my Nespresso. It has been a game changer. I actually just made an espresso right before this video. I was feeling a little tired, but I love mine. It's great. It's super awesome. It's convenient. It is a price saving thing that you're gonna add to your home because you're not gonna go out and get coffee as much. I promise you, like, you will not. You can definitely get like different recipes and stuff online on Pinterest, and you can literally make your own lattes at home and save a ton of money. So if you guys actually want to see a video where I talk to you and like do like a DIY coffee bar and just tell you guys some other things you can get to go with your Nespresso, let me know in the comments down below. But definitely a really great time to get your hands on one. Or if you're looking for good gift items, I feel like everything in this video would also make a really great gift. So great time to shop for holiday gifts as well during the Black Friday deals. Next up, this is also 36% off today. This is the Dyson Cool and Air Purifier. Now, I own one of these myself and I absolutely love it. So it's a fan with an air purifier on the bottom. So it's basically a 2-in-1, and they look so modern and sleek. They don't look like an eyesore in the home. And again, it's like a 2-in-1. You get a really good quality air purifier, really great fan. Honestly, like, I know it looks like it wouldn't give you like that much like air, but it does. It's a really awesome fan. So I love my Dyson products. They're really great. They have great warranties. So if you're in the market for any Dyson products, now is the time to pick them up. All right, moving on to some of my favorite deals. I noticed online that a lot of the holiday decor, especially that I have been mentioning on this channel, is now 30% off. So I placed a super large order. I'm just gonna get my online order and take back the stuff that I already had to the store. I feel like that's the easiest way to do it. But yeah, everything from the Magnolia collection Exclusions do apply, but there's 30% off a lot of the holiday decor. So this really awesome stocking that I showed, the letters to Santa that I talked about, and that's a beautiful piece, and it was super expensive. So the fact that it's like 30% off makes it more of like a realistic buy now. I feel like it was still worth the money based upon the quality, but now that it's 30 off, I'm like, even better of a buy. There's also this magnolia tree that I absolutely loved as well, just like a faux tree. So those are some of the items that I had that I remember from my holiday stuff that I can think of off the top of my head. But definitely click the link down below, go shopping, get your holiday decor shopping done, because that is an awesome deal. They also have a pre-lit tree at 30% off. This is also a really great time to get your hands on a faux tree. I'm just showing this one in general just because I really liked it. It was pre-lit, it was simple, around $100, which I think is a really great price. But there's so many different options, different shapes, different sizes, pre-lit, not pre-lit. There's so many of them on sale. So if you're in the market for a faux Christmas tree, you want to upgrade yours, now would be a really great time to do that, and definitely check out the Target site for some really awesome deals. All right, this bed that I showed last week is now 25% off. I did like a whole room makeover, like mood board for you guys. So if you want to see how I styled this bed frame, you can check out my community page. There's a little picture on there where I showed you guys a mood board of how you can style it with nightstands, lamps, bedding, and all of that. And I have the links to everything, but this bed in particular is 25% off. That's another great area online. If you're in the market for any furniture right now, they're having furniture sales as well. So a lot of like the really nice trendy stuff is actually at a discount currently. Speaking of like trendy stuff and trendy accessories, we have this basket that is also coming in at 30% off. So if you're in the market for a large basket, I know this is like the holiday season. This is when I like to have some sort of storage for all of my cozy blankets for the colder weather. And this is a really great option. Again, 30% off. A lot of the decor is also up to 30% off as well. So if you're in the market for any home decor, I know a lot of stuff has already sold out in stores. So I recommend shopping online, getting that done, and then you can literally just return it and get your money back for anything that you paid full price for if you still like have the tag on it, because they're having some really great decor deals. Also this vase, this white textured vase that I know I talked about more recently as well, is also at a discount, and I didn't snag it then when I talked about it, but now that it's on sale, it's definitely going to be on my wish list of things to pick up from this Black Friday haul. This potted leaf tree is also something that I always talk about. I feel like it is the greatest addition to just like having a faux tree in the home. It looks really realistic. It's beautiful. It's at a great size, and it is currently 30% off. So this is another thing that I've talked about a bunch. I've styled a few rooms with in my community posts. So this is something that was also on your wish list. Definitely snag it now. This minimal bar cart is also 30% off. It is perfect for the holiday season. It comes in at under $100 with the 30% off. So it's just a really great deal. It's metal, so it's gonna last for a really long time, and I just love how simple and minimal it is. You can style it for the different seasons, and then when it's like just normal like springtime and you don't have any like holiday decor in it, it will still look good. Coming in at 33% off is this Ninja blender, which I used to have this blender. I have like a smaller one now. I actually don't have like a big blender anymore. I should strongly think about getting one. But this is the one that I had, and I ended up giving it to my brother, but I still love it. There was nothing wrong with it. I just gave it away because he needed a blender, and I was like, you can take this one because I'm not using it that much. But this is like the best, most powerful, like full-size blender that you can get. So if you're in the market for one, now's a good time to snag that good deal as well. This knife set is 33% off, which is bringing it closer to $100. But this knife set is like Ninja, so it's really good quality, you know, but it also has a built-in knife sharpener. Like, my knives that I got for my knife set are like dull and need to be sharpened, and this one is like so cool because it's a knife set, knife block, and it has the sharpener built in. This would also make an amazing gift for someone, especially if they like home decor like me. Like, that's an awesome, really cool gift to get. All right, this nightstand is another piece that I loved with like the carving on the front. This is 20% off, so again, a good time to snag some of that really nice like new arrival furniture because it's all discounted. This orange poof that I like love, I've loved it forever. If you're looking to add like a nice pop of color to your home, this one is perfect. It's at 25% off today, so definitely go ahead and like check the furniture section. As I mentioned, there were so many awesome things that I would have loved to include in this video, but I narrowed it down to like my top 20, but I could have done like top 100. So definitely make sure you're looking on the site and looking for other stuff. If there's something in particular you were in the market for, you can comment down below and I can try and help you find it. All right, this is the craziest deal that I saw, and these are the Beats by Dre like over-the-ear headphones. These are the ones that I have. They are my personal like absolute favorite. I actually had them before. I used them so much until like they stopped working. I had them for years, so I actually have a backup pair, and these are 57% off today, and they're in the matte black. They look so good. 57% off, like so crazy. They're normally like $350 and they're like $1 something. So if you're in the market for those, like I'm seriously like thinking like, should I snag a backup? Because I don't think they're gonna be that discounted throughout the year like ever again. So gift guide, it's definitely like on my wish list and like in my gift guides that I'm gonna be doing in the next few weeks. So snag it now while it's on sale, because I have a feeling by the time my gift guides go up, it's gonna go back up to regular price. Apple AirPods, I actually also have these. I feel like you need like different headphones for different things. Like I use my AirPods and then my Beats by Dre for like different instances, but these are 20% off. So these are really good for like working out, or if you want to like answer a phone call and like have it be more private, like you're out in public. It's just kind of like easier to be hands-free, answer the phone like while you're shopping kind of thing. This is also probably really great for like studying and things like that. So 20% off. You guys know Apple is really hard to find like good deals on. They don't hardly ever have like any sort of like sale or discounts. So definitely check those out. 20% off makes them a great. All right, the sound bar is 46% off. It's literally like under $70, and I recently got a sound bar and it is a game changer. Like literally every living room needs a sound bar. I didn't understand like how much better the sound quality would be with the sound bar. They also just look so sleek and minimal like on your console. Like they're perfect, and again they just really do update the sound quality. So the Samsung one is a really great deal. All right, that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys for today's Target Black Friday deals. Don't forget to start your shopping now so you can get your hands on what you want before it sells out. The links to everything are down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.